Building block, we are the building block. Dream team crew are the building block. Remember, Kino him a foreigner relax. Kino him they a foreigner relax. And him 8 house drop down black. On the plane and him fly down back. A MoneyGram time that. Kino you know him no rap. All them out them have to fix up back. Him get the and him get the black. Everything and then we start to me tell you the building block. We are the building block. Fix up the house, we are the building block. Check it up again. Yo, you see that tune now? That tune now. Hey, 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 what the yeah, we are back. Be like a ramping thing or a dumping thing. It's a dumpling. And some people after them not spice and have no teeth. I'm not to it. I eat. I'm not gonna have it then. Put it away, okay?
No for when me a boom there. No for when me a boom there. No for when me a boom there. Hold on a boom. That me can't bother the man now. I drink like tea, I want drink like soup. I'm full of back these ears.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
I love that slippers there.
Should have colors on it.
Could you get it? Could you get the slippers there?
It's not enough color. It's not enough color. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Blessed love. Go ahead, dream. Go ahead. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. We're here for another day in Trenchtown. So today we're gonna cook. Amongst ourselves. The team members are gonna cook on all our vibe. And we have to thank Sandy Taylor. For blessing us for the dream team to cook on all our vibes, So Sunday Taylor, cause today is a day where everyone is home, So they say, what, let's all our vibes. Like we ain't doing no work today, so that's all our vibe. So we thank you, Sunday Taylor, who is our extended family. Thank you for blessing us. So today we're gonna see who can eat the most dumpling. Right? Today we're gonna see who can eat the most dumplings. So we're gonna cook probably about 10 pounds of flour. You have a man say he can eat a dozen. Wow chef say he can eat 8. Boom say he can eat 6. Color say he can eat 9. There's so much. So we want to see who tall piece say he can eat 8. So we want to see who can eat the most flour today. So today we're gonna cook some oats dumpling, cook down with some coconut milk. With some curry chicken and chicken back. So curry chicken and curry chicken back all together with some sliced fish on the side. So today is going to be festive. It's a festive day today. We're going to literally all our vibes. As I can see, Jackson are all our vibes already. Yaga! As I can see, Jackson are all our vibes already. Endo! And the Chinaman saying can eat 9 dumpling.
What the hell is taking place? Dumpling eating contest?
Dumpling eating contest.
No, calm down.
Down.
If it was drinking contest,
yeah,
probably colors would be hindered. I don't eat very much enough.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, you out of this one.
Could I big up my extended family for the Labor Day?
Of course.
Oh yes, extended family. Good afternoon to all you folks over there. You know, colors loving up to the bone, to my heart.
Yeah.
Ain't leaving in out. You know? But what I'm saying, Kina, long time you don't come take a look around the cottage.
I know.
You want to see how I'm clean up around there this morning?
Kina been packed up with so many work.
Oh, you know? Damn, yeah,
So
extended
many
family. But guess what now? This evening, someone is coming to pick me up. You remember that girl when they make a no name Brit?
Yeah.
Yeah, she coming to pick me up a little more, you know.
Okay.
Like we going and we're going up on one little car wash thing. But she asked me to wear my blue and white sweatsuit. You get what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yeah, so it's on the line. I think by 5 p.m.
It'll be dry.
It'll be dry. You get what I'm saying? Yes.
Say, Joe, just get yourself.
I could go for the phone, come show you something.
Go on, no?
Yeah,
Alright, so we have some flour here. We're Chinaman say I eat how much? 6?
Yeah.
9 and 9.
Yeah, 6, but if it's possible, you eat 12, you know?
12, alright. Why you running? Why she's running, Joe?
So she don't want to have people them see her.
Oh, okay. One Daniel. Daniel Ellis.
Black and a top.
That is it, man. You know the thing goes already, man. Like you don't know where I'm going.
Story, you know?
That is it. One Daniel in the building. One save you. You know the thing go. We never leave the place. I always give them a preview.
That is it.
You know, so welcome on the island, bro. All is well.
Reach to the island, and the island is so wonderful.
No change.
Thus far in Jamaica, this is Trenchtown. One and all the Trenchtown, the Bob Marley originate from.
Yes.
You understand?
Nothing not change.
Yeah,
Daniel, how much dumpling you can eat today?
We think we can eat twice.
No, man, you have to eat more than that, man. Because who can eat 9, who can eat dozen, who say 8. You see me? Yeah, man, today we are cook some coconut dumpling. Oats, coconut dumpling.
What I'm saying, it's today, this contest is going on, taking place.
Yeah, man, we should eat pure dumpling,
What
man.
I'm saying, colors ain't gonna enter, you know.
Yeah.
I don't really eat plenty, but I drink plenty. If it was a drinking contest, I think I would be entered.
You that drunk, man, because you can't drink like them, man.
Juices.
Drunk. Juices. No juice.
Yeah, no juice. Beverage.
Yes.
Oh, this is what I was showing you. They were asking if me I fly out last night. Take a look there.
And Gucci.
Look on this lovely chocolate, what I meant. Take a look at that chocolate here.
That's not chocolate, I think that's caramel for you.
It's a swag, you know.
That is it.
It's a swag.
Yeah, man.
Talking about. Remember.
Yes, Daniel, so everything good though? Can't complain. So guys, so we're here today, and I'm gonna say it's a Labor Day vibes, we are cooking well our vibes, you know?
That is it.
We saw I come down last night, we had talk, and one man say he can eat those dumplings, the next man say he can eat a whole pot, so we decided say we are cook some dumpling and well our vibes.
Yeah.
You know, with some curry chicken and curry chicken back.
Yeah.
And sliced fish, you know? Does not that. Well, Sparks them can eat a dozen dumplings, so. They say, wow, what dumplings Sparks them can eat? Dozen.
One dozen Sparks.
One dozen. What your next birthday name? Arthur Shark? How much him can eat?
Somebody eat 20 or 25 dozen.
See what me I say?
Arthur Shark we eat all 2 pound rice. Him alone 3 pound rice.
So that's a dumpling can eat. Arthur Shark.
Dumpling all 3 pound flour.
Him alone, one time. Yeah.
More than 30
content.
You need about a bag of flour now. If Arthur Shark will enter,
Yeah.
the flour they can't do it. You need a bag of
A
flour.
bag of flour.
Arthur Shark alone eat half a bag of flour.
A bag of flour. And I say bad. Well, Joseph, the oats.
What?
You have oats as well?
No, me not oats.
I'll ever get a.
Oats dumpling.
Yeah. Cooked down in coconut milk.
Color dumpling should have made
Oh, next time I do the callaloo dumpling. Oats dumpling with coconut milk. Well cooked down. Alright guys. Alright, so I get oats and then thing down come back. Yeah. And get sliced fish. Alright then. Daniel, are you so there now? Yeah? Where your mother? She over there? Country. Okay. Well, guys. So you know today, you know the thing already today. This is it today. No, we're not cooking in a wheat stick. We're just making a fire with the wheat stick. You know, today is the big mission. Dumpling. So those one now a Labor Day vibes, guys. A Labor Day vibes. So holding. We have Boom. We have Rasta Jacks in the building. We have Wormy. Whoa. We have Wormy as well in the place, and we have Prefect. So you know the thing goes already. You know, it's a Labor Day, a big thing, you know. So cooking out, looking, pass the flour for me, please. So guys, I'm gonna make some oats dumpling, cooked down in some coconut milk. You know the thing goes already. We all do it, right, Jackson?
Yes. Right. Every time. That's the bar I give thanks and praise every time. All the extended family, we love you more than cook food.
Nah, right.
You don't know what I talk about. And boom there, you know?
So if Jackson say I'm loving them more than cook food, that means that Jackson won't eat no food. Yeah, right. You know? Right, boom. So if Jackson say I love them more than cook food, he won't eat no food at all.
No man, I can't apply it. Yeah, man, no.
What's love them like cook food, you know? Say them love cook food, I say love them.
Yeah. Cook food we don't love like how we love them.
I want to eat right as in.
So today we're eating some oat dumpling with some coconut milk.
Yeah, last time I ate it at home and get it civilized.
So how much you can manage today? 6?
No, 3.
Jackson?
No,
6.
If it nice, I have 3 more.
No, like
listen, I'm gonna make them big cartwheel.
Like
make some.
You can eat up for 6 and 7 and you go up. Kind of cut down now, so yeah, boom until the 3. I go down 3 and 4.
Yeah.
3 and 4 I will eat and want more, just go call for more.
But I bet you say you're going to want more. Without a doubt, you're going to want more. That's if you don't keep the place clean. Yes. One team. Clean team. That is it. Clean.
Story done!
Yeah!
One done!
One story. And that's your food for keep it clean. Yeah.
Join the team. Yeah. You kindly come in.
You better believe it. Clean.
Understand? One story.
But, hey, this a blaze out quick. How to call this? Thumper? And it's a pawpaw.
Guys, family, you can't see because I'm people who got done more.
So the two on the name Ellis, how I go on?
Them say we are family, but family for far.
One on the teeth for Ellis, you know. Which one on the teeth for Ellis? One on the teeth for Ellis, you know. So pawpaw.
1.5.
Power Ranger.
Yes. Still have the finger in fight.
One Power Ranger. This
One Power Ranger. One.
How much fire this in the light? Alright guys, and we have Wormy today here in the kitchen. You know it goes already. Wormy here. I'm cooking chicken, seasoning up the chicken, making it work. You know, Wormy, can I bring it from the outside, you know? Table set up out there, you know. Alright. Yeah man. Oh, there we go. This packet can juice some more. Yeah man, juice it some more, look at it. The juice the coconut in some more. So we have this, carry this, juice it some more. Alright. So see we have the chicken here, Wormy in the kitchen today. Today, you know. I have to wake him up. Hey, my ask.
Active man, you know.
The
right thing for yesterday, me a day.
Yeah, you know the thing. Yo! Yeah.
Yo!
I'm in the kitchen.
Yo! Hey, Maggie them there. Maggie, chicken.
Yeah.
I mix up seeds, yeah.
Yeah, bring, because we're going to need for the coconut pot as well too. So guys, so where am I dealing with the chicken? Fire, a thumper call this. put on my mother's thing today. You know, I think about there.
Man, I go get your palm for yourself.
Bring one, yeah.
I know something that.
See that, Jack?
Yeah.
So today,
Mother.
mothers don't thief that one here. You know? So today we're working for mothers.
Yeah, don't eat on there. Yeah, mother.
Yeah, so guys, if you go mothers,
Yeah.
I see them a cook oats dumpling.
Yeah.
You know what's our dream team them get it from.
Yeah. Remember, Dream Team only team.
Yeah.
Remember.
So you know, so I bring the recipe up there, right, Jackson?
Yes, I mean, say start make oat dumpling, say start paying. Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
Take off my watch.
150.
Yeah.
Jewelry wrap.
Yeah. Yeah. This is all we are doing today, guys, you know, so see the representing for mothers, you know, for all the mothers them out there. For all the mothers them out there, so. Mothers, no Marley's chicken. Mothers. Go, chef. You go link her.
Go on, Mark, you dead there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my father. You go inside, you say amongst the big man them. I don't stop the way you do and just keep focused like them. Yeah.
No.
Alright, see this.
Come move it. Yeah. Oh yeah. I got stay up on a hanger. Don't put it in the middle. Don't put it in the middle.
Man, I go move on there. You got them, go down. That's a board, man, to get better and cure.
Piece of board.
Some board and
This is a piece of ply.
Yeah, man.
Piece of ply? Yeah. A flap? Yeah, a piece of ply there. All key, you know, you, me say you're fighting in school. You know fight. How you do? Ramp? You never fight. In Bright. Here man a fight in a Tompa Colis? A Tompa Col? No, this what I use. No man, could have a link him up cold for man. From last night me I died for him now.
She's from here.
Run out of bread. Alright. No, don't teeth I laugh there.
No teeth I laugh.
Don't, today's dumpling. Today's dumpling there. Yeah man, some oats dumpling. Cooking down in coconut milk.
Try see then how this around the kitchen.
Where me I give you a strength today in the kitchen, you know. So guys, so see me have the coconut milk ready now. So we have our coconut milk is ready. You great time. Alright then.
I don't know if I say I come here to make everything
Alright.
look good before you come.
Yes sir.
Yeah, so your place look when you come.
Nice.
Yeah,
Place look nice. Well copper said Caesars. Let's get some water. Pull up and thing. I'm basing with the water. Prefect there deal with the sliced fish. So guys, we're only for helping on today.
yeah man, the man behind the camera, I even know how to do the cooking.
The oats dumpling.
Yeah.
Dumpling.
That is it.
So we need some water out there, so this is what you have to fill some water. Come.
Yeah. Wait till the tackle your ball fall. Wait till the tackle your ball fall.
Yeah, man.
Burn the.
Movie star alone, I eat up 6 dumplings.
Whoa, come here, come on, listen to me there.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. Cause me there, man. You see me, I say, so gonna fresh up and come back, you know. Just go and video some video and so me looking at the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. See all Jella there. Jella have a season, you know. Jella, how the season go?
Nice.
Nice, you know. Scallion, onion, tomato, carrot,
Everything.
sweet pepper.
Everything we need.
Yeah, man. Tomato,
Yeah, everything.
coconut.
No more.
Yeah, man. We have a look at Bill face, but we're not ready for deal with it. So sad to talk now, you know.
Alright.
It's a party, yeah, Jella?
It's a party.
Yeah, man. Alright. Eat that. Eat that. Eat that. Yeah, man.
Them say 6, them say 12 pound of flour.
Remy, how long now you doing cooking, Remy?
No, sir, years just a put it on it. Years, man.
Oh,
So I
years.
went boat from where I youth, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
That's how we start from, boat.
Yeah, you know.
Take out mother pot and them thing there.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you know.
That's how we start from.
Yeah, man. And better that, you know. Yeah, man. The whole chef start cook from 1988, you know. Yeah, man. You see me, I say. Yeah.
Something we go pick some ackee.
Yeah.
That's how we start from, man.
Yeah,
So
man, yeah,
when you cook,
Yeah, man, whole chef cook from 1988, you know. Yeah, man, and Gilbert just come, you know. And yeah, man, a 9-year-old and me finish cook the pot, you know.
Yeah.
Dumpling them done gone in already, but me cut up the seasoning and yeah, cook up the salt thing, you see me, I say. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, better. Yeah, man, better. Yeah, man, about 15 years now, better do it, or 17 years now, you know.
Yes, what I heard.
Yes, you see. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
The first, yo, whoa.
Yeah, man.
The first.
Yeah.
At the first right now, I'm going to deal 6 pound of flour. One time with plus with oats tonight.
Boy, Genius,
One go.
Genius, but can I say something? We need more than 6 pounds now. Hey, look up, we need more than 6 pounds, man.
No, 12 pound we are cook.
Yeah, man, come on.
We need 6 first.
Yeah, and then we need 6 again.
After, yes.
Alright.
So,
Not tell a lie, no, guys. I said we can go 5 or 6, you know. I said we can go 5 or 6 dumplings.
where's Sparks there?
Come on, I eat nothing more.
Sparks
Sparks so come, man, because by the time the race thing done over, so Sparks there.
Sparks a tablespoon.
Yeah, man.
Where's the 6? You have last set.
Where bin bag there? Where bin bag?
Know that.
Last set.
Don't feel the general, you know, I check. Yeah, man. I worry yourself, you, my soul boss, man. The oats, this different style. Genius know what I do. Because from what day. No, I'm not going to say from what day, you know. Yeah, man. But I ear hard now, Genius, I eat oats dumpling. Pumpkin dumpling. We do the coconut dumpling.
Banana dumpling.
No, I'm going to say I'm try.
No,
no, hold on, I'm try the pumpkin up so here.
Yeah.
I try the oats here, so. I'm going to try again. Coconut, why am I going to do over the try it to the general, yo.
Yeah,
that's it, yeah, I say.
3 try so far. The
Yeah, man.
pumpkin, the oats,
Yeah.
and the coconut. Them are still the can't eat here.
I'm not eat the
Yeah.
cassava dumpling yet.
We have muff dumpling when I eat it.
The cassava dumpling yet.
Yeah, man, I want to eat the cassava, I blend up the cassava and need the flour. So that's it. Yeah, man, so that yeah, man, them man, I tell you about, you know, them man, you see.
man, pan the gum,
Yeah, man, the man, jerk the chicken, a different style, they are getting.
Sweet, liquid,
Yeah, so that's it. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Well, where's the salt, mate?
Oh, the salt. That I'm getting a bag of salt from Joe. Yeah, man, so movie star, yeah, because John won cool up a while ago, movie star of it.
Yeah, come and tell him, say. Sparks the same can eat 12 dumplings,
Yeah, yeah.
But I tell him, say 12 carrot wheel, But him can't manage 12 carrot wheel. Him last it a go along that bill, tell body card.
A tablespoon.
That's so, I can't eat.
Yeah, tablespoon.
The tablespoon. You
Yeah.
know, a long time, say
Yeah,
tablespoon,
man,
tablespoon,
yeah,
dumpling,
man.
you can eat all
Well, I know.
2 dozen of them, you
See
know.
the punk how much you can eat. Punk how much you can eat. My star, this, you know, but you know, you know, tune from what day, you know, I don't know what she do, you know. You see me, I say, Punk, how much you can eat? Just tell me for 3 or 4. I'm lying on my feet, you know.
He's not a dumpling person.
Yeah, but you can eat 2 or 3.
Probably 1.
No, I can't go 1, Punk. No. I have to eat 2 or 3.
I can't feel like I can't do like how them big money I do.
Hold on, watch it now. It's a dirty man there, watch it. See that? See this, the dirty man there. Come here, Dachi.
You probably can't eat 12 like the man. Where's the Mandela? Take on them. The Mandela.
Yeah, man, see the genius of the little oats. See me, I say, straight. Yeah, man.
Right. We can't eat
See that? No, why no? Watch it now. Them say them can eat 2 and 3, but then them start eat oats dumpling with the coconut milk at different settings.
No,
Jenna gonna say she want 1 more.
No, that's epic.
Oh man, Jenna. I'm gonna say one more.
Half of that me can eat. You know, half of that me can eat. The oats and them something then.
Now trust me, you're gonna eat more than half.
And I said, go, like I eat the caramel dumpling.
How much flour that?
No flour that Punk, man. John.
See me, I warm up already.
No flour that Punk, man. Joking.
Warm me, I warm.
Eat off the whole lot. So you can eat off the whole lot.
So I can use a big brown shine pan.
In a day.
In a day.
Yeah.
In a day.
Not in a minute or an hour, but in a day.
Oh, you can't eat in one.
Your man is 12. Your man is 12 for real, Punka?
Yeah, I'm tell Punk like a thing for me.
Yeah, no star Punka bleed. Punka says your man is 12.
12 dumplings.
Jaja. Feast of white.
No man, 12 biscuits in my shop.
Coconut milk. I need some coconut milk in my body right now because I'm short, you know? Yeah, I need it, yeah? Yeah, man.
This is where you build your muscles now,
yeah.
You know?
Alright.
Remember I tell you up on the river when you make
yeah, man,
flour?
Yeah, alright.
Where you?
Vitamin A, B, and C. But
yeah.
No, I tell you what, give man 3 different vitamins. Give man vitamin A, B, and C, you know?
Yeah. So I'm to D and E.
No, we don't reach just yet, you know. So you start eating the curry.
Vitamin.
Look, no, so they start eating the curry, then they feel the vibes.
You say what's the vitamin?
Yeah, A and B and C. Where you get cold from Kino? What Tompa?
Yeah. I never check him earlier.
Man, say I'm not cold.
No, but I tell him to get it from last night.
You know some things says that.
Him not have somebody him get it from.
Oh,
down the road, we see him come.
Oh, down the road. Oh, I never know. I link him still now. But him say I'm not cold. Yeah. I never know some get it last night. Yeah, I never know, man. See that? Oats dumplings, so you know. Banana. Look at what kind of this banana.
Come on, show a little bit of with me now.
What that?
Coconut milk.
Oh, coconut milk. Man, I go fit for me now. Yeah. You see that? Yeah, man. I'm telling you, that's why better months for months now, better than day and day and now. See them day and now, you know. Yeah, man. So remember all the curry I go now.
Yeah, man, tough thing I jack, man.
Alright, see that?
Nah, but talk.
Alright. Yeah, man, better. See that? Yeah, man, that there now the people there.
Ah, Jim Team family, big up.
Yeah. Extended
there.
family, you know.
Active on the ground, right.
Extended family, you know.
Yeah, man, big up everyone.
Yeah, man, you see it.
Blessings every time.
Enough love, right? Yeah, man.
Alright. Big up, you know. They call me, they oats dumpling and making them, I say we can eat 3 of them, you know.
Alright. You better make sure tell you way more from now. Say I can't go 5, that's alone I can't tell you now. Right now.
So it make bearings wheel, right?
Alright.
With 6 pounds of flour and much pound of oats.
Yeah.
So like pack of oats. So like I am 2 pounds of oats.
Yeah, because a pound in one box and there's like 2 millimeter of oats I use, you know. 1 millimeter one box and the next case. Me I say. Yeah, man, this me I say. Yeah, man, move it. Yo, all thing are going to turn about the sun. Yeah.
I'm cooking and going right now, you know.
Yeah, but the sun.
You know, my kitchen right now.
Yeah.
What's dumpling, my deal right now.
Yeah.
You see, because the workshop there around the killer, live and direct.
Yeah.
Tune into Kino live in Trenchtown and 3rd Street. And this is what? The Labor Day.
Yeah, straight.
Okay, the Labor Day.
Yeah, man.
Kino in the kitchen, he cooking what? Oats dumpling.
Yeah, man, I remember do what?
Remember in the kitchen frying what?
No.
He cooking down. He curry down what?
Chicken.
He curry down what?
Chicken.
He curry down what?
The chicken and the sliced fish not come here to yeah, him see it about Friday night side.
What? The sliced fish not coming. Something like
You're a punk. You know, yeah. It's a punker. Yeah, man, why? Tell him, yeah? Yeah, man.
I tell you, say, you know, in the kitchen, see there?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Look,
see,
yeah.
What's dumpling that, you know?
Yeah.
You see it?
Alright.
Inside the what's dumpling there, you know what? You can't eat no food, you can't put up in their belly, you know?
Yeah.
You see it?
Yes.
No, man.
Say you can't eat no food, Say boom there?
Yeah.
But make sure he keep him belly empty, you know?
Yeah, that's a risk,
no. Want him belly full, you know?
No, man.
Because say want to eat about 6, you know?
Yeah, but there's a 5 more eat why? There's 5 more eat. 5. You must say, me must want to eat 5.
That's what I'm talking about,
yeah.
You know? Yeah? That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to me.
Yeah.
Boom say, you make sure keep him belly empty.
Yeah.
And I don't eat nothing from morning.
Straight, yeah.
I say I don't eat nothing from morning.
Straight again.
I don't what?
Eat nothing from morning. Yeah, man.
Boom there,
yeah?
You don't eat nothing from morning.
Yeah.
I said what?
You don't eat nothing from morning.
Yeah, but joke thing.
Yeah.
Plan feet half dozen, but I don't know if I can manage it. About 3 me for work with me, I lick off the 3 me for lick off.
No. Tell man say 1/2 dozen and the way you can do. 5 more on my plate. No, Sparks that man.
No, Sparks ain't one. A dozen. I mean, them can't eat a dozen, you know.
Yeah.
A dozen raw flour.
Yeah.
Dozen what? Tablespoon. Tablespoon different from dumpling. Some say want a dozen tablespoon dumpling like biscuit. You can put one of them out.
Yeah, I know where you talk about. I know where you talk about.
So further around the last part.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know on a cornmeal now, you know. I'm everything about big up.
White flour dumpling more. No, we don't need white flour dumpling. Mom, tell them what I want the white flour dumpling.
Don't buy any up.
Alright.
Just train for do it.
Alright. Bunker, tell them.
I'm
not a dumpling.
Yeah, man, I love cook dumpling for punker, you know, even fry and roast or boil, you know. Yeah, man, cut them up like, you know. Jeez. Yeah, see that?
See, I feel strong, you know.
Yeah, man, see that? Watch it, hold on, wait there. Show about the muscle again, watch it. My God! My God!
That's what I get when they need them flowers. Flower.
No man, I move for why? Why? Give me the muscle, move. Give me the muscle. No man, why? Give me the muscle, man. Yeah, man. My God, watch it.
That could be the muscle. This man,
watch it. See that? See that? Yeah. See that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah. Yes, man.
How much dumpling you eat?
Big up the dream team.
How much dumpling you might eat?
Big up the dream team.
Well, me just eat half of the food, you see?
Half of the food?
I feed, you know?
Yeah, man.
I don't need plenty, I just
10.
Some half a time.
No, 10. What dumpling you 10?
5.
No, man, we get 10 dumpling. I eat 10 dumpling.
I could eat 5.
You could eat 5?
Alright, yeah.
Watch it now. You come back. If you don't cook, you just come back and eat 5 dumpling, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Give back the piece again. Yeah, man, Jackie.
You will tune. What a tune.
Yes, straight.
Boom, papa.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah, man, I give boom. I beg boom. I can whistle and build cover back. Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. I have some mash here. Circle back 5 minutes time. Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sit there. Yeah.
Show the one that whole line in pot.
I look a bit of juice there. I go into the water. I go into the flour.
I want to make the next fresh flour.
Oh, to make the next fresh flour. Oh, sorry about that. Never know. Yeah. It'll come up, man. It'll come up now. See there? It'll come up, man. Please put more coal around the edge, Jim. More coal around the edge, Jim.
It's alright, man. It's alright.
Yeah. Yeah, man, alright, see that?
Alright, man, come up, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Come up, man. It's coming fine, you know?
Coming fine.
It's coming fine, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
It's coming fine.
Alright, yeah, man, talk to me the bleed,
The
man.
breeze are blowing, you know. So, we have used no hand, you know. We have used no hand and fan, no? You know, we have depend on the Rastafari breeze to blow it.
Yeah, talk to me the why, man.
Yes, to blow it.
Yeah, cause that's how breeze strong, you know, brother.
Watch it.
Same thing. See the fans.
It's so pretty. Look how pretty.
See the fans. See that, yeah.
You see it? As wild. So, me I tell you, that's what I'm talking about.
That's Rastafari,
yes,
you know, ever feel,
I'm
ever
going to
sure.
kill up myself.
Man, come on that shot, man.
I will have to use the fan and pan it.
Yeah.
We have to use the carbo.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Wow.
Yeah. So we keep on telling so we're not put no more pan it now. We're not put no more fire pan it and no more coal. We'll keep it set here. We can't the pan it. You know, the pan can go on anytime.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pan can go on anytime, you know. So we're there, so 3 beer, yeah.
Man, you don't drink no punk of them, that thing, that simple thing, you know.
Me can't drink like Uno, because me easy for spread out. One Smirnoff alone, so me one start.
Alright, you there.
One time here.
One love same way, you know, who that
No kino.
Great Branco and them name,
Yeah.
Poet boy name again, Poet,
One alone. That's why I'm not go road go drink.
Poet boy name again,
Me have to go road with people who me know say them have cars.
Gangsta, what's my boy name again,
If them go so.
Funka. What's my boy name again,
Yeah.
Rush.
Yeah.
Rush name, you me try remember your name, dog. Come here, we get a different name, brother. I forget a different name, brother. I can't hear. Yeah, man, you see? Yeah, so them there all have vibes are going, you know.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah, man, Rush have the internet are going to do some music. But right now, we're not doing no music right now because we do a video right now, you see? Yeah, so big up Rush, big up Branco. So it going, you know. Yeah, man, you see? Yeah, man.
No liquor. We are going
Congrats. You take about 10 minutes and 15. No, man, that's not 50. All right, do the match.
Story it up.
Come on aside and all.
Come on, look, right.
So I go on.
We can eat 6 still.
We're probably done more than 100 dumpling already. I will still have more flour to go. So I go on, Rick. Show them what I go on, Rick.
So it look oily. Be a coconut milk that make it look oily, so you know.
Which is right.
Yeah.
Bubble down.
Be a coconut milk.
Yeah.
Oil that on top, you know.
And the water now get away, you know.
No time, no belly can get away.
Everything.
That's what I read, man. That's what I read, man.
So why you say they not dumpling them again, no kino? The oats dumpling.
Yeah.
Oats.
Mixed with coconut milk.
Says oats dumpling.
Kneel flour, coconut milk, kneel flour. Coconut milk, kneel it.
Coconut milk, kneel it.
Yeah.
So you use the coconut milk to knead the flour.
Yeah. Oats and the flour mix up together and coconut.
Season the pot, well done.
Yeah, look there. See? That's it.
So with all the oats where they night now, that now go puff up them belly so a man will say him can eat 1 dozen dumpling. Let us see how that go, no?
Yeah. Slicer.
Yeah.
Disappear and now you can't see.
Probably going to empty him stomach.
Yeah, I'm going to take a wash out.
Return.
For return.
Because Spark said can eat 12 dumplings. That's why I go to the pot. To the pot, look. The man cannot cry today. You know? No one cannot cry today. Right, Poison?
Yeah, man. Yo.
Poison in the place.
You know, it's the first ever some dumpling and then a fancy cat that dealing with now IT. Dumpling. Big up IT and big up fancy. See it? Dumpling. You ever cook that yet? Oh, we have all chicken there, cook already, curry, everything.
Oats dumpling.
Why is it that gonna go Poison dog?
The slice fish, you know.
Why is it that go to the
Hold on.
Poison
You
dog?
know, curry down onto the slice fish, yeah? So onto the slice fish, you know, curry fish, curry dumpling, well, have the slice fish different.
Oh, this one start out.
Yeah.
Yo, Rick, like how you show
Let me the spoon.
Like how Rick showing it, we have a goon it in the pot.
Yeah.
Share it out in the plate. See it? Watch out. Help me cook me Sunday dish. Me ball, help me cook me Thursday dish. What we call it? Rice and peas and scorbit fish. We cook it every Sunday, is my favorite wish. See we Sunday morning where we gonna market. We buy 2 pounds and the red snapper fish. 1 pint of peas, scallion and garlic. 1 dry coconut with all water in it. Yo, 10 pounds of rice, we are real crabber dick. Go over me yard, we like the fire well quick. The peas in a pot and the blender a quick. Have a plate with the flour when me dip in the fish. We drop it now the pot, the aisle, but me family for me do. Turn on me tape and them me. Below pass me for them me. Sit down for me bench and listen reggae music in them. In a me kitchen me there. I cook and listen reggae. Yeah. In a the kitchen with them. I cook and listen reggae. We ball and we cook with Sunday dish. Now the rice dealing done me give 2 story up. Me just turn down the stove, me all ice it up. Now the fish nearly done. Tomato ketchup, buy chicken me secure. Chuck and bus, right out and we get the whole of them a gather up a man. Send smell a fish this and we a pour us. And the smell of the pot out, we give him E-cup. Me make lemonade come, taste like syrup. Me make fish taste like steak when me done set it up. I make chicken back taste like roast duck it there. Now we kitchen there. Yeah, I cook and little reggae. We ball and we cook with Sunday dish. Yo, you have some people say them cook, I know them say them cook. Dumpling and mackerel. A dumpling them cook, the mackerel done cook already. Little more.
Give them something, man. I'll put the trim in the head.
I see him say go. You have some people can't not water. Put it on fire, hey, water burn up. Boy, I better them leave the kitchen. If they can't burn up water, better you leave the kitchen alone. See him say go. Hey! Tell you say me never had a cut here. Ah, me never had a DJ fuel. You know what me that do? Me don't cook. Yeah, I cook and give out some people on the plate. Me not get back. Me not get back the plate. Them eat it half, not half. The whole of it. Oh. So our cooking here, our cooking different. Most in the army. We are dream team soldier. Go around and we assist. And we assist. And we assist. We not stop assist. We are the assistant. We got the dream team sponsor them. We make it possible. You know possible bigger than impossible. Yo, must in the army. You don't know that? We must in the army. Which army? You know the dream team army. Yeah, well if our people come and swarm we, what we do? We go a NCB, we bank some money, bad boy look we down and they beat we badly. I'm better than that, than take away all of the money. From that day, the robber turn my enemy. No me run go a camper, we join the army. As me reach, and they get me sight out all Choji. With the sign pan him shoulder, man, sign MP. Him say, what is my name? My name is Sergeant P. After when me come with join the army. If them birds of all, I am too skinny. Him look for me, you dance set shape like chimney. Say me have a front teeth, let me favor body. Say me yay them big like any cent cookie. Then it measure me chest and measure me hip. When he breathe and me put him say they favor drumstick. Him say I out like me. Should be at my home, come in and no jawbone. Fi blow saxophone. No me win a first prize and me get a chip. No me Japan Mexico where them speak Spanish. As they come up for the plane we met a nice to kill chicks. You put up cover on me neck. She nearly kill me with kicks. To my surprise she start chat some Spanish. She said buenos dias como se le llama. Me le llama such a thick out in a Spanish. Me then me say una das tres. Cuatro cinco seis. Me say 7, 8, 9, 10, 82, 73. Me say 4, 15. Hey, yeah, yeah, man. Man, no Spanish, Thomas, you know. Go on,
Building black, we are the building black.
Yeah.
Team member of the
You know that? Oats are fix up. I know them fix up themselves. Yeah. Oats are fix up. I don't know it fix up itself. What that simple mean? Means a dream team. A building block. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking about building block. Building block. Oh, a dream team that. See it? Yeah. Building block. Oh. Building block. Oh, watch out. Building block. What was that? Building block. Okay, alright. Building block. We are the building block. Dream team crew are the building block. Building block, we are the building block. From Kino start it, you know we not stop. Hey, they are foreign Kino, cool and relax. And him here people, house drop block. Kino happy fly down back. Check it out. Yo, give a MoneyGram. MoneyGram send money fast, you know. But not fast like how the if you're Kino happy reach out, when him here say house want fix up. That's your call. You're saying, yeah, insane time, fast time, mad time. See? So big up all of the dream team sponsors over the world. And big up all of the people that know me and me know them. And if you even don't know me, but you see and I hear me, that's great. You see? So big up all of the fans them who support Trenchtown. One of the biggest names in a brand. Yeah. Say me talk about Jamaica in a brand. So big up all of you US and all you English fans. Okay. Right around the world. Japan and China. Big up. You see? Cause love I only 4 letters spell it. So say for 5 letters spell your love. You have to watch it. You move like Puffy. Hey, you don't move the side away, okay? Yeah. Try use 4 letters and spell the word love. Cause I see him thing love mean in every language. And if a food you eat, I see him thing in every sandwich. You hear me? Building block. Oh, building block, you know? Building block. Oh, watch out. Building block, run the track. Building block, we are building block. Dream team crew, them are the building block. Building block, we are the building block. Dream team crew are the building block. Remember, Kino him a foreign a relax. Kino him they a foreign a relax. And him 8 hours drop down black. On the plane and him fly down back. A MoneyGram time that. Kino you know him no rap. All them out them have to fix up back. Him get the and him get the black. Everything and then we start up. Me tell you the building block. We are the building block. Fix up the house. We are the building block. Check it up again. Yo, you see that tune now? That tune now.
Big extension, is it?
Tell them that
So we do it.
bill right now. Show them
Yeah.
Come show them what
Show them the pot again, cause only for dumpling.
So building dumpling we do now. This are the dumpling black.
Move out of the way and push it. So all the face over there, so.
You know what I mean? Coconut.
Sneezing time.
Oats dumpling. Oats dumpling. See it? See it there, guys. That is it.
Mixed with the oats. Oh God, man.
Oh God, it's when all this
Really,
soup.
that is it.
So
All the water can drink to, you know, don't want them.
everything we are dealing with, man.
Come like a manish water.
Aye.
You know?
Mm-mm.
It's a manish water style.
A Gaddish water this.
Gaddish water, man.
Man, Gaddish water. Gaddish.
Yeah, even. Yeah.
Alright guys, I see it now. Take a sip.
Yeah, I'm trying to say.
Second pot of curry this year. A second pot of curry?
Yeah, 2 pots, one about yesterday.
And so the curry look rich
Never
and flavorful. Alright.
Rich, it never pour. They get more on purpose.
You want one more? Yeah. I want more, just go find.
Yeah. Let them know, say, curry chicken that. You see it?
And not
Yes,
curry
sir.
chicken back.
So that is not the soup pot. And it's not curry chicken back. But curry chicken back hot. Yeah, hot. Anyway, let me tell you that still. You have some people who want to boil soup and put curry in it. Because two of them see chicken and bubble. It's not soup. Curry chicken, okay? So you say if you think about for boil soup and don't know how to do it, get your pumpkin. Yo, get your pumpkin and make sure a curry pumpkin you get. You see? And you do what you want to do. Yeah. And but so now, a music our life, and we life for music. Yeah. We entertain people. I want to hear about Jackson band. Don't feel like the band they come from Neverland or Neverland. No. The Jackson band, I changed town it from Rasta. Yo. Yeah, the Jackson band. Okay. No respect. You see it? So you see right now, music vibe. And the music vibe the Irish, see it? Never take a little sip off for the bourbon. Then you know it yeah. And you see, if you're born and you grow up somewhere, everybody could born the same place. And it seems like everybody are trying to go born at Bethlehem. Because when of them birthday, them want this and that and whole heap more things. And one man me say, the Jew forget gift and all kind of things for his birthday. So I know some people that tell you them birthday is like if you give them $1 million. You see? Respect on the birthday and respect my one. But that's how we deal with birthday. We deal with it nice. We don't deal with it like how someone want to deal with it. Right. See? Yeah. So music time now. And we are going to some tune. Yeah. We're going to tune with a morning, night. And we don't know the another part. We don't care what time. When a tune, see? No take no crack you, don't take coke. When we talk to you, don't take this with joke. Hold it, take it up. You say for one have even 1 minute or a second, what a vibe to go rap. Yeah.
Because I know you were doing it alone. Yes, guys.
Yeah.
The father Pius him done the whole footage.
Alright.
You know.
Top of the footage, I'm going to give them the thing.
Yeah. So see it there. So after the music session is the food session. Right, Ricardo, you know?
Up and running.
So this is a curry pot 2.
Second dose, you know?
Yeah. We have curry pot 1 over here. See it here. Curry pot 1 over here. Woo! We have curry pot 1. Woo! Hot! And curry pot 2. And dumpling pot. Big more. It's about 300 dumpling. Swear.
Water there, no.
Eh?
Water there, no.
Water?
Yeah, water there.
Mango for the mango feasters. So this is my mango. You know the thing go. Yo, ready, we're ready now, you know.
Yeah, you know the thing come down, ready.
Ready, we're ready now, you know. Remember this, I deal with that. Steady.
Coconut milk or oats. Yeah, the settings come down.
Eh?
Escovitch fish.
How I go on?
Curry chicken.
Yeah. Boom, what I go on? You want more?
Yeah.
Come now. Whoa.
Sit here. Yeah, man, Jesus, Jano.
Yeah.
Fresh up and come back still. Look better come on the camera, man. Watch it now. Look now. Watch it now. Weak. Need it.
Yeah.
Show them the story. Should I cut there? Come back, Mr. Genius. Yeah, man, I need it, man. Because John back, I get weak from one day. I don't know what I'm coming back. I don't know what I'm coming back.
Come, Jackson, forward.
Hold on, I don't know what I'm coming back.
Yeah.
So this, can I straight up look. You may come up this. What I mean, I come back.
Come in.
Come him to do yourself, man. I can knock you out and Jesus and hold the pot. I knock you out and hold the pot. Dad, mom, but I don't know. Dad, you can't say that, dad. Can be a dad, you know. Can be a pipe to dad.
In the room?
No, man, I drink that rum. Man, say one to drink
In the oh, you gonna know it taste? In the room?
I tell them. Because you are going.
In the drink out the room first.
Drink out the rum first,
Man say in the room. Oh.
Drink out the rum first.
In the room.
I want you to tell you, Wagwan. Tell the people them from media land, Wagwan.
Yeah.
Take up the video. Because me cannot drink this without talk to them. See that?
Yeah, the dream team out, you know?
Yo. The video up?
Yeah, man, the video up.
You know what this our... Hey, we can come a little bit because... This time picture way more time.
Covered. Take it off now. Hold on, we'll take it off. It can't come off. Yeah.
Nah, make it sit. Nah, burn it up. You want the video?
Tap something on him. Yeah.
Yeah, if you now look, you see the cup, you see the color. It's flavor boom and rum. But I'm a boom and rum. Right now, I now drink from a saucer. It's like I eat from a cup. Because the food is out of the pot in my rum cup. Okay? So I'm not really drinking from a saucer or stuff like that. But I'm just drinking from a rum cup, which is food, if you call it, having no problem. But maybe it is not even heating.
Yeah, that's gonna cook.
You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, as me I tell you about, you remember what I talk about dumpling. And I tell you say fancy and IT. But it's not really about fancy and IT right now, about the dream. You ever have a dream yet? Dream say your house I go mash down. Ain't no mash down yet. Cause Tino come stop it. Tino, come stop it. Cut it up and then go for some block. So you know what that's all about, the building block. That I go fix back. Tino, dream team.
Alright, so taste them know
I go taste it and tell you how it tastes.
Yeah.
You hear me I say? That's how we see it. We no rush it. You see it?
Yeah.
We no rush it.
Alright, go on.
Same shirt set we just cozy like Bob Marley.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Just make some of you beg me some Spot there up there. Spot there, son.
You see this? That mean everything. Lyrics. Yo. My go to lyrics except for go you know. You hear me I say? This bad, you know bad? Yeah, I mean bad like great. Yeah, some people say, that's sick. I know I got a doctor, you know.
Come on, give them in a pie.
Yeah. Oh, they ready?
Yeah, man, come on, man.
Oh, them ready. Hold it up, sir. Up there. Yeah. Big up the fireman. The fireman teach all of them about up there, not down there. Up there, up there. Cape Town, you're my artist. I one of my greatest artists.
What time now?
5:22.
Up I see me a time.
How your time with?
Come on, give them the lyrics so I can move on. Yeah.
I don't get a call from my phone. And the lyrics you not get. I lyrics you get, man. You know, they don't know send me at the mobile barber where people ring and I go trim them. And I just get a call and I tell them, say no, I not leave. You know why? They are keen or thing, dream team. So I not leave. So tomorrow them I go trim. But see right now, all of who tune into the internet is gonna.
Yo, tell them to sing now, please. Tell them to DJ right now. Right now. Go on.
The trim I get now. Them wanna know who carved the style in her head. Must be the barber where every like let them wanna know who carved the style in her head. Could be no wood carver, must the barber instead. What trim Sunday day till all my finger get red. Please I like a hammer, let me pop finger head. Me nah talk no little hammer, must the big rusty sled. Me bust no hawk trim, and me bust the bread plus, and me trim the one on name. Kino head them wanna know who carved the style in her head. Must be the barber where watch out. We get money, me no rabbit, nah borrow, nah beg. Love we work hard, pay me own honest bread. DJ pan a mic, trim the ear pan a head. Me no trip with Peter Blue, nah Peter Red. If you no have a manly or a rapid, nah put me hand in a your fungus head. Them wanna know who carved the style in her head.
Whoa, boom.
Second round, listen, third, me I go on the fourth.
Coconut milk. Coconut Jesus.
You know what I'm spit out?
Natish, what go on? Natish, what go on the coconut milk over there?
White bud.
You drink it like a Baileys. She's sipping it like a Baileys.
Chef Kino, bud.
She's sipping it like a Hey, it's a Baileys, boy.
Nice.
Hey. So Remy over here, I make the gravy.
Why that?
This is the gravy now, Remy, I make for the fish. Well fried, well ready. Well fried, well Jack's a cup empty.
Don't see how do you know Gino. Don't see how do you Gino, man, no?
Gino, I don't tell him, one thing with that one thing with that, you see me?
Yeah.
Well prepared. You hear that, the maestro himself, Kino. You hear that, the general. Uncle thing it miss you. I just look at okra in it, but everything gravy
yeah.
me, everything.
So drop the okra night, it's mother.
No, that alone, yeah.
If you look at okra going night, I'm mad ras.
Don't come out of a cup.
Don't come out of a cup.
Don't come out of a cup. Watch it.
Stick up in the cup. Jackson want more than a cup, right?
Yeah, want more than a cup.
Forward. Sit there. Wormy, sit there.
Yes, Wormy.
Sit there.
Don't keep dry out, huh? Wormy, don't keep dry out, yeah.
Nah, dry out, that's how we.
Make it come down, come on. Put it, no, go ahead and suck up the whole.
Wormy, come, see what I got.
Keep on yourself. Yes, we'll come up.
Yeah. Jesus, I'm crying. Come in, Rasta.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. You love it once?
I love it twice.
You love it twice? You got to love it so many times.
Wait there, so the pot are not going to the pot, man. Well, I'm going to jelly them I get on.
Nothing in them.
No, when you dumpling them come out.
I'm turned cut this. Oh, don't try loaf left in the pot,
you know when you share dumpling more of my room.
Yeah.
Nah, man, civilise them time there. What am I on them time?
Boom's a theme pot, Jack's is a theme pot.
What am I on them time?
So we're not going to take half of the pot.
Yeah, man,
cut the metal.
Cut it off. No, cut it, can't shut it. Hold on, the pot can't cut enough.
That is it. Aye, don't worry yourself, man. Like, Jella. You know the thing, go. Them know the thing, go. Them know. You know it. When they fry it overnight. So remember there, so now see the okra in a pot. So with the okra there, chef? In this. So for the fish, well bubble. And the fish dropping at that. Right there, so. Right there. Alright then, so guys, so they know say next thing now share, we're gonna share one time the meat ready. You know. So I make them go and party right now, drinking them Kavasi.
Baby, this I look for today.
Baby.
Pour that milk.
Whoa.
Oats.
What going your back strong now?
Come back, you know, get the firm up, you know.
I say, boy, chef, cup empty.
Thick, you know. And if one that's in pot water, let's give him pot water.
Yeah, we'll leave the pot food.
Let's give him pot water, Kino. Want some no come can't believe.
Yeah, I
get the pot,
Dumpling them come out, civilized.
Yeah.
So you got to fresh up and come back and feel better, you know.
Better far before you come back and say no pot.
I'm telling you right now, everything I've done.
Nah, go.
Right. I'm a cup before some
Music.
One demon! Hop! Not taking away! Hey!
Yeah, the general for the army. Dumpling nice.
Oh, this rosemary. Dude. Can't have that empty, you know. Can't have that empty, you know. Eh. Yeah. Prefect of the case, man. Arizona, may I drink? Yeah, man, Arizona.
Oh, God, you like the freestyle. Wow, we put a prize up now. We're doing some freestyle after the floor, you're serious. Full of a belly, you know? Yeah.
The party go on. If that done on a man can say XYZ, come in again.
Yeah.
Come in again. Cause this body a drink. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, you know. Pick up yourself, oh.
Why?
Hey! Like a toast of wood! In them dirty but we are roll clean. That's the every girl a scream, and them a rolling. I'm a train. Yeah! A dream team Massacre DJ, but you can't imagine that. Massacre big artist, you know. Big entertainment, big DJ. So everything big. Like DJ. Yo! You want to know? My caring. People are Lead that. I want Keenan. Keenan no more fit them play right now. We want to start doing man. Program flow and play anyway. No, I don't that shit. Play anyway, so they go for some program do. They go say it and throw them play right. And flow them play right. Yeah. So real easy back. You know? Some lemonade.
Yeah, yo. Hold it up, cause them feel like a ramping thing. Or a dumping thing. It's a dumpling. And some people after them not spice and have no teeth. I'm not to it, I eat. I'm not going to have it then. Put it away, okay? Easy.
Yeah, man, it's good, man.
Take care, boy.
Jesus, hey.
She said me cool, me say England. One more plate. What are they? Money come a brain, money come a brain, money come a brain. Do a CT scan. Money come a brain, money come a brain, money come a brain. Every woman, every man. Money come a brain, money come a brain, money come a brain. No brain, money come a brain, money come a brain, money come a brain, money come a brain.
It's the excuse.
They're gonna be again man for the money train. To them.
Is there on the feeder?
Probably chopstick bad.
Eh?
Food bad.
You done already?
Yeah man, food bad.
How much dumpling I get?
2 man, 2 more.
You food like where what? Me not only one of them can what's in there? Coconut.
On the whole of camera.
Hold it. If them want 2 more dumplings, I can't miss them don't eat. Gungbird don't eat. No, sir.
represent cleanness,
Not to believe.
goodness, and greatness. Any mothers in the house, all baby mother make some nice video. The private picture. Big up on yourself. The girl them will breathe and when they are still look good. The girl them will know when you left your baby father, him a auntie like Dumpling. Big up the girl them will know to the great you give boy one and him stick on and one gun away. Big up the girl them will know say to the tight if you move your cross it too slow, grab your finger there.
Guys, look at this. How many can? Everything shell up. Review.
Thing have 100 taste. Come on, I laugh like a joke.
It have 100 taste.
Man deaf. Just like plant porridge.
Yeah.
I feel like peanut pie.
Yeah.
I feel like banana porridge.
Yeah.
I feel like oats
Porridge,
porridge.
yeah.
I feel like coconut milk
Porridge,
porridge.
yeah.
No, I'm not like this.
How many can porridge?
How many
Some curry, can't eat dumpling them.
Eat some curry now.
Right. Boy, Bobby, everything done. Piece of fish there. Let's plate them.
Because him say him can't eat dumpling, so give him some curry.
Bobby, a piece of fish left back there.
Bobby, get red plate there, red plate.
Eh?
No, one dumpling.
Eh?
Get a plate and give him.
Give man?
Give me one dumpling.
No, I'm saying can't eat dumpling.
Give me plate and a plate.
Yeah. Bobby.
Rice more
This the man for drink, and that me I tell.
Make a swan look at me now, sort of fucked up, let's put that off, Sean. Bobby, my phone on.
This the man for drink.
The Bobby just come and want the last. The Bobby fish.
Hold on, no, I cook rice, I get rice.
No, I fish more. I'm birthday.
Give me a piece of fish, man.
Hold on, I cook rice, I give you.
Yeah, what I say, man? This.
And this alone more.
On that?
This.
No, this.
A plate there, a plate there.
The plate done.
So me have 100 taste. Like boom. Tastes like porridge.
It tastes like everything in it. Pat empty too. Oh, well, everything shell west there. Everything eh? Dumpling bad though. First. First bones, how it go? Where if I go? How the thing look? That good look.
Genius, you can't talk money. We tell half a dumpling ass.
Yo, you know, it stretch a long way, you know. It's stretch a long way. We're gonna have part 4 next. Blingers, where you say?
Bobby.
Blingers, what do you ask if you eat Oats dumpling? I said never before. And you finally eat it.
But like yeah.
Alright. My that people know you hide the face with the Oats dumpling.
I love the food, I know food bad. I tell you.
The Oats dumpling.
Oats dumpling, oh.
Daffy. Crush, where say that go on? Alright, might as well. You have the smart one for later. You miss it.
100 taste.
100 taste, them set up. They set up 100 different tastes, Natish. Boom, you alone of the pot.
No, this is a cook rice, brother.
Come the pot done.
It's a rice, brother.
Come the pot
Go
done.
to my show us some can.
Boom there.
Yeah.
Over the skin.
What the artist name? No man, it's a my one. It's for the artist.
No, me not call fishing too. Me not cook some.
The artist, what name? Shaggy Paul.
Oh, Shaggy Paul. Oh, my.
All the dogs them a fight for the food.
Skip on the top, skip on the top, boom, man. All them part, see the thing them book man.
Nobody can't fight for this.
Exactly, because watch our eye, sir.
A girl she come say thing done. No for when me a boom there. No for when me a boom there, virgin. No for when me a boom there.
Hold on a boom. That me can't bother the man there, you know. I drink like tea, I drink like soup. I'm trying to put the back this ear,
And you come to ocean, you think
that's really strength.
Yeah. What are the DJ?
Diana. Angel, come here, baby. Oh, more introduce our key, you know,
To empty pot.
Food, they can get food, you know.
Done.
Yeah, right, baby. No, John, I'm look for some for years. John, next time, yeah. Look, yeah.
Well, big up, best of love, guys. Best of love. It was a wonderful time. I know the thing.
I can't lick out the spoon.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't lick off. I want to.
Whoa.
I want to all use. I want to use more.
Yeah.
Better. Let's spoon there.
Just like calm it, porridge.
Where you get our remedy?
Big up. You have Color Smith TV. You come in the coconut dumpling. Yeah, Virgin from Portland. He's a YouTuber. Yeah, so big up Color Smith TV for the coconut dumpling. So what I do? Yeah, I add the oats to it. Oats in the dumpling with the coconut milk. You know the thing go. The man come in the coconut dumpling, so come in with the oats dumpling with the coconut milk.
Boom!
You know? Color Smith TV. Big up yourself, brother.
No, Esther, me ask something now. I can't cook chicken, I can dumpling them, and I cook ice. I can't cook chicken.
No, the man, I'm shell long the pot, thing shell long.
That's one I can't use.
Boom, you drink about 20 cup already. 20 cup. Yo, I shaggy Paul one this, you know.
No, I call fish not two, you know, put
you
this on
can't
this.
call shaggy Paul fish not two.
Bobby lucky a while ago.
No.
So Sheila link and tell some camera you want link your way.
No, Esther not tell me anything.
No, I'm not because I'm bad road, but you know.
Simba, Max me know my name Simba.
When?
Yesterday.
They asked me that? No, but Mr. Simba earlier.
Yeah, I'm saying more link here, I'm number. I'm just come link you kind of tell me say there.
Him sleep at dinner dread?
No, they are first street.
I come, I eat the food and come. I come and come check him. Them say I come check him. No, I see him today. Same up at dinner dread.
Now go up at dinner, that's something he must say him couldn't.
Yeah.
So to him done deal that now.
Yeah, I come and come link him on First Street. Yeah? Tell him I come link him. I eat this and forward.
Yeah, the same wife I come pick him up. So.
I eat this and forward. I forward. Tell him I forward. I eat this and
some link back for you where you are not.
Yeah. I forward now. You're ready, Gino. Yeah. Now eat this and forward now.
Forward. No, I call it not two and us cook pound of rice.
See you, Gino. You said thing you have 101 tears.
101 tears.
No, hold on. Hold on, man.
101 tears.
101 tears.
Sorry.
Oh, bad.
Well, all the dogs sing look while for me, like somebody dumping just put on my plate, you know. If I hold on for the plate, good. Yeah.
Genius. Shaggy Paul call me, come back here, and do.
No, man, come back.
I said, I'm cook out 200 pieces of cook rice. Why?
Yeah, tell me my fault.
No, why?
No.
Boom, boom, I steam fish and yo, boom, look here. Hold on the boom. Put piece of curry or so. You know? I cook for us, I get curry woman, so me know. Should I get the food, brother?
Music.
Tell him already said sell off.
Yes, the thing is all clear.
Cash
on the river.
$10. I'm can't buy she now. When I cook more?
On the river. Special love. Right now, I'm going to feast. So, best love to all. We're going now. You're on the river. On the river.
Monday. When the river? Monday. When the river? Monday.
That's so natural.
Man, have a time, man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.